My work specifically focuses on trying to document the human rights abuses by the government in Sudan. I work with a youth-based movement in Sudan that was founded in 2009, and it's a non-violent resistance movement.
إذا كرفت ما تزعل، عندك صابون الجرفنة. بعد 20 سنة بدون تغيير الموضوع ما هي. عاوز ليه وداعي 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 وعصر. صابون الجرفنة إنتاج محلي من أجل مستقبل السودان.
The movement, Girifna's movement, grassroots efforts on the ground. We try to use social media, the internet, video to reach out to a larger audience, especially that in Sudan there's a huge problem of access to information of what's happening inside the country. The most recent protests called Sudan Revolts have made us more of a movement that is under attack because our popularity on the ground was huge, and we were able to mobilize and call for national protests that received a lot of positive reaction from the ground, and that's made the national security and the government of Sudan more aggressive vis-a-vis our members. They got the longest detentions, the harshest treatment in prisons, so we feel that some sort of spotlight would be a message to the government that the world is watching and that they cannot get away with abuses and violations.
My name is Jean-Baptiste and I work on Sudan for Amnesty International. The human rights situation in Sudan is incredibly difficult for peaceful activists, with many being arrested, detained and tortured by security forces. The Sudanese authorities are sensitive to public opinion and international outcry. So your participation in the letter writing marathon can really make a difference by reducing the risks of torture and ill treatment and ensuring the quick release of those still detained. Please take the time to help the young activists of Girifna.